Hi there, my name is Dora. Me and my friends are going to introduce you to the eTwinning Live. So, first of all, you need to register, and after that, you go to etwinning.net, choose the option Login, insert your login and password, and submit. Now, as you can see, my name is already on the top, and I look for the second option here in this tab, which says eTwinning Live. In the eTwinning Live, you will find another tab with people, events, projects, groups, partner forums, and professional development. Today, I will explain you how to work with the Events tab. You have two main tabs. The first one is to create an event, or the second one, you can look for your events. Let's start creating a new event. Click on Create an Event. And now you have to introduce some information about your event. First of all, you must have a title. So let's use the first steps on eTwinning Live. And create a short description. It will be an online event, so I choose online event and click on next step. Start uploading a picture to be the logo of your event. Choose the language and tell us how many people do you think will attend the event. You can just pick one in between. And what type or what kind of event are you planning? Choose among the following options. In our situation, we will be preparing a seminar or workshop, or even we can call it a lesson. Next step. Now choose who can attend to the event. Anyone in eTwinning, only my contacts, or restrict the event to eTwinners from a specific country or language. Now you should tell us when it will take place. November. Okay, tomorrow. And now choose the slot. It will be at 17. Okay, December. Invite your contacts, who will be, or just move forward. Now you have to select tools. Will you need a forum and the file archive? In this case, we will have some material to share, so I will choose file for archive. And now you have a preview of your event. And you may click on Submit.
I am going to speak about eTwinning projects. Once you are logged in eTwinning Live with your username and password, you can access projects either from this icon here or from My Projects here. This page will show you the list of projects which you have active, which you are doing at the moment, and the other projects which you already done in the past. They are down here. For those of you who have never did a e-twinning project, I will show you how to create a new project. First of all, you need to find a partner and you need to have a good idea of what the project is going to be about. To find a partner, you can go to partner forums, either from here or from the top here. Then you can choose the age range of your students. For example, let me choose 12 to 15 years old. You can either find a project here, or you can write a post here with your project idea. A very simple post, just the title, for example, culture, for example. Here you just write what it is about. And you can do next step. Choose the language which you want your project in, for example, English. And the subjects, for example, environmental education, geography, etc. Then you just press save. Other winners who are interested in your project, they will message you. And together you can start a new project. So once you have your partner with whom you will be doing your project, and you have also a good idea of what the project is about, you go on create a project. I will later on show you the e-twinning project kits for those who have no idea of projects. So create a project. It is very straightforward. You choose your school, next step, you choose the person with whom you're working with. For example, I chose this one. Next step, this one, if you want to add maybe e-twinning plus countries, so you press yes. The project title, for example, I don't know, sports. The more specific, the better. A short description here. It could be also in point form. The language, for example, English, it can be more than one language. The age from, for example, 10 till 14. How many students will be participating? Anyway, the subjects, for example, chemistry, citizenship, I'm just showing how. What do you think you will be using? The chat, maybe the forum, the twin space, it's very important. Maybe other software. You write your aims here. They can be in point form and specific, and very important. The work process, how the partners will collaborate, and the activities which are going to be done in the project, and the results here. What will you expect from this project? Now, if your project is an original idea, so it's not based on any twinning project kit, you mark no. Later on, I will show you what project kit is. There's preview, and you just submit. And the National Support Services will then accept your project. So, I am going to show you the project kits. Project kits are especially used for new e-twinners to get an idea of how to do a good project. For example, let's say there's a whole list. Let's go on the first one, a day for the family. You can download the project kit from here, But if you go down, you can see the objectives, you can see the process, what was done and the activities, and you can get a very good idea of how to do the project. Anyway, there's also the evaluation and the follow-up. I hope that was interesting for you. Thank you.
Hi, dear twiners. My name is Maria Luisa. As an twinning ambassador, I am trying to help you in your first steps in twinning. After being registered, you should insert your login and password and submit. As you can see, my name is already on the top. Now, we are going to a twinning life. In a twinning life, you have some different bottoms and you can see this tab. You can find people, events, projects, groups, partner forums, and professional development. Now, before starting a new project, you can investigate one very useful tool. Pushing in my projects, we're going to visit the bottom this tool, a twinning project kit. They ready-made project step by step. You can go in to be guide to run a successful twinning project. Project kits can be used as benchmarks for teachers who wish to implement similar projects or as tools for inspiration for fresh ideas. On the right, you can read all subjects and all key competencies that you can check. First of all, you can choose between art, astronomy, biology, chemistry, and so on. In this case, we are going to choose cross-curricular. It could be useful for all of us. After that, we can decide what kind of competencies: cultural expression, digital, or maybe mother tongue. In this case, we're going to take the digital competency. Searching different projects with these items, cross-curricular and digital competency, we can find some future kits. For example, this project is called Don't Bully, Add Keenly, Live Happily. You can go on the left. You can find Start, a new icon, and another one like a pen. Some useful information: the level of difficulty, the level of the age of your students, and the competencies you can work in this kit. Going to download it, you are going to find the project kit description, also the objectives or goals, and the process you can implement to develop successfully this project from the beginning to the end, and a very important point like evaluation and the way how you can follow up. I hope this information will be useful for you, and the case you can choose this kind of tool, I am sure your project is going to be very successful. Enjoy it.